What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out. This is Bryan at bstatic on Instagram, and today we are going to compare the DJI Osmo Mobile versus the Ronin, the original big Ronin on a 5D Mark IV, right?
Yeah.
So the whole idea is to try to see if we can recreate the same shots that he does professionally for his skateboarding videos. This guy's been shooting around for SLS, Do Tour, pro skateboarders, and today we're going to compare and see if you can shoot the same type of content with your phone.
People ask me all the time, how you doing that? How you doing that? People ask me all the time, how you doing that? Bust a rhyme. I don't really know how I gotta flow. I don't wanna tell you I'm a pro. Do a little run and I get it done. Every time I spit it like a gun. Mom said I must have been born with it. I wasn't always so sure of it. Now I can see all the worth in it. So I be burning shit every time I get a little better. So I gotta do it every single day like I'm a junkie with a habit. And I know in front and back for the habit of the rabbit. If you want it, you can have it, bring it up. I can bag it. All my women that be rockin', look at all we even common. Anything we gotta do it like a problem. And they say they wanna keep us at the bottom, but we're too damn awesome, too damn awesome. People ask me all the time, how you doing that? How you doing that? People ask me all the time, how you doing that? Bust a rhyme. People ask me all the time, how you doing that? How you doing that? People ask me all the time, how you doing that? Bust a rhyme. I'm so fed up, I should be fat. I'm Big Poppy when I'm at bat. Lick off the salad, we got no cap. Every time I do it like I do it, they gag. Can I be totally real with you? Can't do what nobody tell you to. Once you decide what you wanna do, unlock it and cock it like Rambo do. Then you unleash the fool. Now I'm feeling kinda shady when you're looking at my mouth like I'm a little my baby talking all this kind of shit like, oh my god, somebody spare me. Y'all ain't even seen the best of me, and all you do is dare me. But it's back when the situation hairy. Can't keep me in a cage, no canary. Got a lot I wanna say, a library, and I spit it so quick that it's scary. Y'all never wanted me to be another copycat, or would you rather see me pull another dagger? When I get to rhyming, all the people start to gather, and I'm making it look easy like I'm working up a lather. And my teacher is a legend, ain't a buddy on his radar, and I had to write a rhyme. He's a really hard grader. Can you please do me a favor and jump on the elevator, going up and use just like a hungry alligator, twisted in the turn like a hit exterminator. If it's any indicator, call it now, call me later, cause my team is rolling in like a bevy of invaders. We never turn down, cause I never use a fader, and I keep it on 100, so my booty got no stuff. And if you disappointed me, you do a fair amount of cussing. It's magic when I'm cutting and putting it out of nothing. Something Gucci on my boots, so they see me when I'm coming. People ask me all the time, how you doing that? How you doing that? People ask me all the time, how you doing that? Bust a rhyme. People ask me all the time, how you doing that? How you doing that? People ask me.
Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Which one do you prefer? And if you record your own clips, drop the link in the comment section so we all can see it. Thank you so much for taking the time, guys. Until next one.
People ask me all the